Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to replace your seat on your Troy Bilt Bronco or your Troy Bilt Pony guys. So as you can see guys, this seat has definitely done its time and it has started to take a toll on my butt, especially right here guys. So let's go ahead and get that changed guys. Okay guys, so first thing we're going to do is to lift up our seat like that. And the seat for the Troy Bilt Bronco guys is a 3-bolt pattern. I am missing my bolt on the left side here and this adjusting screw here guys, so we'll just remove these, but we should have 3. So let's get that done guys. So to remove these 2 screws guys, which you'll have on your mower hopefully, you'll need a Torx T-27. So let's get that removed guys. And we can just go ahead and go to Home Depot and get a regular bolt and a washer guys to fit on our new seat when we replace it guys. So now we got our bolts out guys. We got to slide the seat down to where the cutout is for this bracket guys, or the mounting screw, so we can just put back the seat plate down. And then now guys, we can just remove our old seat. So let's get our new seat guys. Okay guys, so here's the new seat, and as you can see, it comes with all the brackets for your mounting hardware. And if you're a comfortable seat guys, I'll definitely leave the link in the description, as I did get this on a better price than what I have seen most people advertising them for guys. So I leave the link in the description with the part number. So let's go ahead and get this installed guys. So okay guys, first thing we'll do, get our seat installed, making sure to start back at the bigger part of the bracket where you can adjust the seat guys. So now we can just slide that up. So we just need to get our correct adjustment where we had it, and we had it at the second to last hole here guys. So let's just get our mounting hardware reinstalled. Yeah guys, I know sometimes the price that you may see for these seats, it may discourage you to want to spend that much money, but I'll definitely leave the link in the description for the best seats and the price that I paid guys. There we go. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned guys for more repair and maintenance videos for your Troy Bilt Bronco and all your small engines guys. Also tool reviews. So if this video helped you guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Please feel free to comment. or any question, guys, please feel free to ask. God bless you all. Y'all have a great day, and I'm sure I'll have a bit of relief with this new seat. Please remember, guys, to like, share, and subscribe as we bring more maintenance and repair videos for your Troy Bilt Bronco. God bless. Y'all have a great evening. Thank you.